What if Ford's smallest truck is becoming the one big pickups should fear most right now? The Maverick already proved a pickup can be useful without being massive, thirsty, or overpriced. But for 2027, the Maverick Hybrid pushes further with available all-wheel drive, real towing strength, strong payload, clever packaging, and hybrid efficiency that makes traditional gas trucks look wasteful. Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. Now, to see why this compact hybrid is shaking the truck world, let's count down the 7 reasons it's actually insane. Number 7. Hybrid grip finally gets truck-level confidence. The biggest upgrade for the 2027 Ford Maverick Hybrid is available all-wheel drive, turning it from an efficient commuter pickup into a more confident all-weather truck. Earlier hybrid models earned praise for value and fuel economy, but front-wheel drive limited buyers facing snow, rain, mud, gravel, or slippery ramps. The new setup adds the grip everyday drivers actually need without forcing them into a larger, heavier, more expensive pickup. It is not a hardcore off-roader, but for homeowners, small businesses, weekend campers, and first-time truck buyers, it makes the hybrid feel like the smarter, more capable truck choice today. But extra grip is only the first surprise, because this compact hybrid also brings real pulling muscle. Number 6. Compact size, serious workhorse muscle. The Maverick Hybrid proves capability does not disappear just because a truck uses hybrid power. With the available tow package, it can pull up to 4,000 pounds, enough for small campers, utility trailers, motorcycles, landscaping equipment, personal watercraft, and weekend gear. That fits how most buyers actually use a compact pickup. Practical torque, useful pulling strength, and occasional heavy job confidence without full-size truck costs. Payload is equally strong, with up to 1,500 pounds for tools, mulch, furniture, supplies, camping gear, and work equipment. Even with a 4.5-foot bed, Ford's flexible layout helps organize cargo and stretch usability impressively every day. And once capability is covered, the Maverick swings back with the advantage hybrids do best: efficiency. Number 5. Hybrid MPG that makes gas trucks nervous. The Maverick Hybrid's fuel economy becomes its knockout advantage once paired with available all-wheel drive and real towing ability. While many pickups still burn fuel quickly, this compact hybrid delivers efficiency closer to a small car than a traditional truck. That matters for commuters, small business owners, job site drivers, and families who feel fuel costs every week. Its 2.5-liter hybrid system is not designed for drag strip drama. It focuses on smooth, low-speed response, strong city efficiency, and lower running costs. In traffic, errands, school runs, and work routes, it keeps truck utility without the usual fuel penalty every single day. But saving fuel is only part of the appeal. Daily comfort still matters behind the wheel. Number 4. A cabin built for real life, not just showrooms. The 2027 Maverick Hybrid keeps its cabin smart, simple, and practical instead of pretending to be a luxury SUV. Base versions focus on function with easy controls, cloth seating, useful storage, and durable materials for work, commuting, and family use. For buyers who want more comfort, the XLT trim should remain the sweet spot, adding better seating, keyless features, heated seats, remote start, bed lighting, and a heated steering wheel. Higher trims add more tech, audio upgrades, navigation, and comfort. That flexibility makes the Maverick a work truck, commuter, weekend hauler, and efficient daily driver in one compact package. And with the cabin proving its everyday usefulness, the next jump is where technology takes over. Before we hit the top 3, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support drives us to bring more high-octane content to auto enthusiasts like you. Now that the top 3 begins, the Maverick's modern cabin tech becomes the next reason buyers should pay attention closely. Number 3. Big screen tech that feels anything but basic. The 2027 Ford Maverick Hybrid feels more advanced than expected because Ford gives it a strong tech foundation, not just a tempting low price. A large 13.2-inch touchscreen modernizes the cabin and handles media, navigation, phone connection, and daily controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto reduce cable clutter, while available Wi-Fi, wireless charging, upgraded audio, navigation, camera systems, and driver assist features make it feel like a true daily vehicle. Safety tools such as emergency braking, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera help make driving easier and safer every single day. But technology only matters when the market is ready, and the timing here looks almost perfect. Number 2, the right truck arriving at the perfect moment. The Maverick Hybrid arrives at the perfect moment, as full-size and mid-size trucks keep getting larger, heavier, pricier, and more capable than many buyers need. It answers with a compact formula built around efficiency, affordability, comfort, and everyday usability. Buyers get a real truck bed, useful towing, modern tech, and lower fuel costs without full-size bulk or luxury truck pricing. City drivers gain easier parking, homeowners get weekend project utility, businesses can haul tools, and outdoor fans can carry gear or small trailers. With rivals still developing answers, Ford already has a proven compact hybrid truck formula others may struggle to catch. And when timing, usefulness, and efficiency come together, the final battleground becomes price. Number 1. The price and trim strategy could shock buyers. The 2027 Ford Maverick Hybrid's value story may come down to pricing and trim strategy. Expected to stay near the current formula, it could start around $30,000 depending on trim, fees, packages, and drivetrain. The XL remains the practical entry point, offering hybrid efficiency, crew cab usefulness, and pickup bed utility without luxury extras. The XLT should be the sweet spot, adding comfort, style, packages, all-wheel drive, and towing equipment. Lariat brings more premium tech and comfort, while Tremor adds tougher adventure appeal. The Maverick does not need to be cheapest, it just needs to feel smarter. So after the trims, tech, towing, and hybrid numbers, the real verdict becomes clear. Verdict: the compact truck making bigger pickups look wasteful. The 2027 Ford Maverick Hybrid succeeds by understanding what many buyers actually need: a practical truck without massive size, high fuel costs, or unnecessary excess. It can commute, haul supplies, tow a small trailer, handle bad weather, and still save money at the pump. By combining pickup utility, hybrid efficiency, available all-wheel drive confidence, modern tech, and everyday comfort, it proves smart truck ownership does not require going bigger. If Ford keeps this formula strong, the Maverick Hybrid could remain one of its smartest vehicles. So, would you choose this compact hybrid over a larger gas-powered pickup for daily driving today? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experiences or opinions. Your insights might just help other auto enthusiasts make their next big decision. If you're all about staying ahead in the world of vehicles, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Torque Tribune community for the latest updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The 2027 Ford Maverick Hybrid is just one of many exciting vehicles reshaping the automotive landscape. Click one of the videos on your screen now and discover what could be your next favorite vehicle, right here on Torque Tribune.